Hello FPL managers, welcome back to the channel. I am here with the team selection video for game week 13. We'll kick things off with the team review first and then I'll show you my team heading into game week 13. If you haven't subscribed already, hit the subscribe button and join the family. You'll get loads of fantasy content every week to enjoy. Let's start things off with the team review first. So this is how my team lined up. Ramsdale started in goal but could only manage one. It was a tough fixture against Liverpool and they were just too good for the Arsenal defense. 4 out of the 2 defenders returned really well. Trent has been an essential asset this season. In and out, he has been returning very well. He is very good with the crosses and has a good number of assists. This game week he assisted 2 goals and returned a clean sheet for his 15. Cancelo on the other hand is another attacking fullback who is involved in goals. He gave a perfect ball into Sterling with his right foot to open the scores for Man City. Man City also kept a clean sheet in this fixture. Duffy and White on the other hand blanked. Brighton had a bad game week as Villa comfortably defeated them in a 2-0 victory. White, just like Ramsdale, faced Liverpool and they were too much for him. Moving on to the midfield, yes, I went with a differential and that was Bowen instead of Gallagher. This was a potential game week for him to return but he failed to provide any attacking return. Mo Salah continued his run of scoring goals as he returned 16 with the armband. Jota on the other hand scored a goal too for his 8 points. The forwards returned unexpectedly well. Jimenez scored a goal past West Ham as Wolves defeated the Hammers in a 1-0 victory. Tony finally scored a goal in a high-scoring game. I won't lie, I did not expect him to return in this fixture. The problems with Harry Kane continue as he failed to score yet again. Another blank for the Spurs forward in the Premier League. Even though I managed to pull a total of 71 points and it was way above average, I had a slight rank decrease. The rank now rests upon 78k in the world, still under the top 100k, so I have plenty of time to climb up. So this was the review of game week 12. Now let's look at the team selection for game week 13. Ramsdale starts in goal for my side yet again. It is a good fixture against Newcastle at home and Arsenal have more chances to return a clean sheet in this fixture. He is not owned by a lot of managers, so a clean sheet will be handy for the rank boost. Trent Alexander-Arnold is the first one in the back line. He has been very consistent in registering attacking returns so far this season. Southampton is a good tempting fixture for the Liverpool wingback. The second one to start is Cancelo. He faces West Ham in this fixture and it is not a very easy fixture for him. But Manchester City are obviously a tough team and they have the capability to keep a clean sheet against anyone. Cancelo is in form and is involved in goals for Man City. In the previous game week 2, he gave a brilliant assist to Sterling. Duffy is the last one in the back line of 3. Brighton faces Leeds this week who have been out of form this season, probably due to injuries and bad run of fixtures. Now Duffy has the capability to register attacking returns. Considering the sloppy defense of Leeds, we can expect a return from Duffy. Overall, Brighton is a strong defensive side and they can keep a clean sheet too. Before I talk about the midfield, let's look at the transfer plans ahead of game week 13. I've got 3 flagged midfielders, but there is a chance they might feature 2. Initially, I'm going to let Raphinha go and bring in Gallagher. Raphinha missed game week 12 due to illness and there is no solid news of him returning as of yet. Gallagher on the other hand is having a great season. He is the most creative midfielder in Crystal Palace lineup and is involved in goals for them. I did initially plan to bring him in, but my mind was stuck on Bowen. So this week initially, it is going to be Gallagher who will come in my side. Mo Salah and Jota are the 2 midfielders to start for the week. Salah is having a great season and every fixture looks like a great one for him to return. Jota on the other hand is yellow flagged and chances are he might recover and return for the fixture against Southampton. Gallagher takes his place in the starting 11 and alongside him I've got Bowen. Transferring Bowen in, I was aware of the dark side of it and it was the fixture against Man City. It is not an easy one but West Ham have been performing really well and we can't just rule out the probability of them scoring. Hopefully Bowen might register an attacking return. Talking about the forward line, Harry Kane disappointed in another potential fixture. This week he faces Burnley who are another sloppy defensive side but I'm really not sure about Harry Kane anymore. Right now I want to hold him for the good run of fixtures hoping he might get his lost form back. Jimenez on the other hand has a good fixture to capitalize upon too and he can return big against the weak defenses of Norwich. Tony faces Everton who are yet to gather themselves and are having a bad run under the new manager. We've expected a lot from Tony but he only returns when it's least expected of him to do so. Overall it is a good fixture for him and he has the ability to score big and threaten defenses. The captaincy option this week too is straightforward and that is Mohamed Salah who will hold the armband. It would be a crime to miss out on him if he returns big. This was my team selection for game week 13. I will post the final team on Twitter and we are now on Instagram as well. I've dropped the username below. I'll be posting stats, edits, buy, hold and avoid picks and as well as the teams prior to the deadline. As always, the DMs would be open for all of you to discuss the fantasy football stuff. Please subscribe before you leave and like the video to support. This is it from my side. Thank you for watching.